In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change portraits in Hearts of Iron 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can change any portrait included in Hearts of Iron 4. To do this, just follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to change both the portrait and consequently the leader's name as well if you want. Now, I'm going to be primarily following this guide here, so credits to this person, Crimson Nomad. I'm going to try to summarize it all for you. The portraits are going to be stored in this folder, so by default your game should be installed on the C drive, Steam, Steam Apps Common, and then Hearts of Iron 4, but of course it might be located elsewhere if you change the install folder. Anyways, go to the default install location, GFX, and then leaders, and inside you will find all of the portraits. All that you have to do here is open the portraits with something like Photoshop, Paint.net, online tools, anything you have. And then you can either create your custom one or simply replace the picture. So in this example, they replaced the original picture with a picture of Rasputin. So all that you have to do is replace it and then save in the correct format. So as it is replaced, make sure that you save it in the original format, which should be .dds. And as long as you save the picture here in a DDS file, you are good to go. If you wish to change even more things, including the leader name and creating your custom one, then you will have to create a custom mod. So to start, when you open Hearts of Iron 4, go to the mod option and create a new one. Make sure that you take the graphics tag and then go ahead and create the mod. This will give you a mod folder with your specific mod that you created. Now you will make these new folders here, GFX, leaders, and then you need the tag for your specific leader. So in this example, because they are changing a Soviet leader, they use SOV. If you are changing a leader from England, you would do ENG, leader from Germany, GER, and so on. So just create these folders. Right-click, new folder, and then create them. Then you just paste your specific portrait inside of this folder. Finally, if you want to create a custom leader, then what you have to do is first copy this file here, NSP characters lang, from this location. So in the default Hearts of Iron 4 location, go to the localization folder, English, and then grab this file here, as you can tell by the name, NSP characters L English. Then go over to your mod folder, so in this example, Hearts of Iron 4, mod test, and then create the localization folder and the English folder, just like you did with these ones here. So paste the NSP characters L English folder from here into the mod folder that you just created and open it up with Notepad. Now you can change the name of the leaders. So because they replaced Stalin's picture, they changed Stalin's name to Rasputin. And then when they go inside of the game, the name is going to be changed alongside the portrait. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.